crying little.
Japan.
Okay, first I'm going to combine this two setting spray from Clutz and from CELETEQUE to prep my skin, and then going to blend it with a beauty blender. And then again, primer. The next one's primer plus Angel Veil plus Ultra Elastin primer. Ultra Elastin is not primer. That one is a sample only. And then gonna mix these two foundation from MAC and from TLM color changing foundation. Na so for the high price. And then Revlon Photoready concealer in light medium. Gonna set it with Clutz beauty mist and then blend it with a beauty blender. And then I'm gonna use to contour this NYX highlighter and contour stick. Blend it out. Next is I'm going to set my under eyes with this RCMA powder and then prime my eyelids from Essence eyeshadow primer to make my eyeshadow last longer kahit na hindi naman lalabas. And then I'm going to use this NARS Melusine, that purple color, and it doesn't catch up the color pigment, so I'm going to just use my finger. As you can see, wait, basahin ko siya ng mist. Ayan, pwede na. And then I'm going to put nilagyan ko ng washi tape para mag V shape. Magkaroon ng edge. I'm going to blend it. Blend it more. And then using this glitter eye cream, no, rather this last call shade or the purple shade from Urban Decay palette, and pat it on the center of my lid and blending it out. I'm going to choose the glittery purple glittery thing shade and then pat it on sa gitna. On the left and right side. Hindi effective, so gumamit ako nung sponge niya na kasama nung palette. And then I'm going to blend the outer part with that purple shade from NARS. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. My brush is from I bought it from Landmark. And then also blend it on your lower lash line, and then remove ko na yung washi tape and then blend it more. And then I'm going to pick again the purple shade from Urban Decay, that shimmery, a bit shimmery, and pat it on top. And then this brown shade on my lower lash line and on the top part to blend. I'm using an e.l.f. brush pala. And a Hello Kitty mirror that my classmate gave me from grade 4. And I'm going to use this for my eyebrows. This brow soap from Beauty Soapery. And using this spoolie, and then I'm going to use Dolly Wink black eyeliner to draw a winged liner. That was a very wait, ano na tayo? Eyelashes na, and then this is from L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. Yung Dolly Wink pala yun, yung eyeliner, it's matagal na. Pero meron pala yung laman. And also, on my lower lashes, medyo clumpy lang. Hindi naman masyadong clumpy. Pero ayan na ulit tayo sa puting eyeshadow on my inner corner to brighten up my eyes. Using an e.l.f. brush again. And then lashes. I bought this from Shopee. From China. From China Itich. At ang haba niya, parang pang drag queen sa tingin ko. Abot hanggang kilay ko na yung lashes, but it's nice, I think. Okay, aura pa, aura. And then for my brows again, to fill in some gaps, from K palette, and the shade is 02. One of my favorites, or top one of my favorites. Yeah, maybe top 1. Yeah, number 2 na yung brow soap. And then e.l.f. blush bronzer for bronzing, and blush, a bit blush. And then I'm going to do the other side of my eye. So i-fast forward na lang natin ito. Then, I'm going to, yan, liner na pala ulit. And then, I'm going to set my makeup with Clutz Beauty Mist na mabango at refreshing. And then, to highlight, I'm going to use this highlighter from In2it combined with that NARS eyeshadow glittery shimmery white silvery shade. And then from For You to blush, it's peachy, orangey, and then bronzer, Bahama Mama. For my bronzer, contouring my nose, I'll start from the eyebrows to my eyes to the tip of my nose, and blending it is the key. Then that's it, finished. I know. Going to naglagay pala ako ng powder sa ilalim ng bronzing contouring area ko, and then now I'm going to brush it off. And finally, for the lips, I'm going to use eyeshadow, purple eyeshadow, and why not? I'm just experimenting. And then topping it off with white shadow, shimmery shadow again. And then a lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. And finally, we're done. Aurahan na. No, ito pa. The bangs, I should brush it with the brow soap. Yung uso ngayon, yung may pa-shape ang bangs. So, there you have it. Aura na.